You think you know your customers, right? But what if their deepest needs, the real reasons they buy or walk away, are hiding in plain sight and you missed them? Well, AI can now uncover these secrets automatically, changing your business forever. There's a ton of businesses out there that just guess what customers want. They use old feelings instead of fresh facts. This means missed chances and wasted money. But what if AI could give you clear answers all the time? If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today we'll see how AI can change your customer research from a sometimes thing into a powerful, always-on tool. Think about how we used to learn about customers. Maybe you send out a survey once in a while, or you look at the sales numbers, and that's okay, but it's like trying to see a whole movie by just looking at a few snapshots. And guess what? You missed the big story. Problem is, these old ways miss a ton. Your customers are talking all the time, in reviews, on social media, and even how they click around your website. And most of that information just floats away. But what if you could catch it all and understand it? Well, this is where the game changes. What if you could know what your customers are thinking right now? So how can AI help with this? Well, it's not as scary as it sounds. Let's look at some simple ways that AI can make things better. First, AI can read feelings. It's called sentiment analysis. You get a lot of customer comments, right? And there's a lot of them, and sometimes it can be too many to read. The cool thing is AI can go through all that feedback online, like the reviews, the social media, and tell you if people are happy, mad, or just okay. Like, imagine knowing the real mood about your new product without reading thousands of comments. It lets you quickly fix what's wrong and do more of what's right. Next, AI can spot secret habits. The thing is, people often do things online without thinking. AI can watch how customers use your website or app and find patterns that you'd never see. Maybe lots of people click on one thing, but they never buy it. AI spots this and showing you where they get stuck. Then you can make changes so more people buy. AI can also help you spy on your competition legally. As a business owner, there's a lot you have to do. It's hard to keep an eye out on what other businesses are doing too. AI can track your competitors, what they're saying, and what your customers say about them. This can show you where they're weak or where there's a spot in their market just waiting for you. This is going to help you find those blind spots for a chance to stand out. You can use AI to help you map out a customer journey. You want buying to be easy from you, right? Sometimes you think it's easy, but customers find it confusing. AI can look at all the steps that customers take from finding you to buying and show you exactly where they have trouble or drop off. This is going to allow you to fix those tricky spots and make it a lot better for the customer. And yes, AI can predict those future needs. This part is super smart. By looking at what your customers are doing now, AI can make good guesses about what they'll want next. Think about this. You can offer a solution just as they realize they need it. It's like being one step ahead of your customer all the time, which then allows you to create offers that they can't refuse. Another thing AI can help with is stopping customers from leaving. It can spot those little signs that a customer might be thinking about leaving you long before they actually do. Maybe they stop opening your emails or they're visiting your help pages more often. You can use AI to flag this so you can reach out and solve their problem, keeping them happy and loyal. We've all lost customers that we wish we could have kept, right? Next, you can use AI to find trends, like what's the next big thing in your field. You can use AI to scan news, social media, and industry reports way faster than any human. It picks up on small signals that show a new trend is starting. This means you can jump on new ideas early before everyone else does. And finally, it helps you talk to the customers just right. The thing is, everyone likes to feel special. AI can figure out what kinds of messages, offers, or products different groups of your customers like the best. This means that your marketing isn't shouting out to everyone, but it's talking to people about what they care about the most, which then makes your customers way more likely to buy and listen to you. Now that's a lot to take in, but isn't it better than just guessing what your customers want? And here's the best part. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't take coffee breaks, and it can look at thousands, even millions of pieces of customer information all day, every day. Think about those old research methods. You do a survey, then you spend weeks trying to figure out what it actually means. With AI, it's different. You go to bed and the AI keeps working for you. It's gathering information, figuring out what it means. When you start your day, you can have a fresh, clear ideas ready for you. What used to take months now takes hours or even happens instantly. And this isn't about replacing you. It's about giving you superpowers to understand your customers like never before. If you want to learn more about how tools like this can specifically help your small business grow, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The main thing to realize is that AI can take customer research from a chore into an automatic source of powerful insights to help you grow your business.